Yo everyone, what's going on? It's your boy Josh. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to start your first successful affiliate marketing business using ClickBank. So if you don't already know what affiliate marketing is, or what being an affiliate is, for example, if there was a website selling shoes, you'd get your own custom link to the website, share that with your fan base, followers, family, friends, whoever it is, and for every sale you make via that link, you make a commission. Now the commission amount obviously varies, and sometimes this can go up to like 50%. So if you sell something which costs £100 to make for 500, so that's £400 profit, you'll get £200 of said profit. So yeah, affiliate marketing and ClickBank is very exciting, and it's an amazing opportunity for all of you regular people just to go out there, make money, and just have a good time. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly what you need to do to get into ClickBank, get into affiliate marketing, and more importantly, get making money. So yeah, instead of just sitting here talking, I'm going to hop straight onto the computer and we'll get straight into it, boys. Let's go. Alright people, so as you can see, I'm on my computer just on Safari here, still logged in with the email from the last video, which is actually going to come in handy for this video, as I'm going to be using this to sign up for things and maybe for a few future videos. It's quite a funny little domain there. So yeah, you guys just want to search ClickBank. And it's just the first one there, clickbank.com. Obviously, likewise with the last video, I'm going to be leaving links in the description, so if you want to just find it a bit quicker, then just go down below. But yeah, it's just going to bring us to this website, ClickBank, as you can see. Just click off of this, and you just want to go straight up to sign up. Now, you just need to fill in a bit of information, sign up for the site. Obviously, you don't need to give them any personal details, just your email, phone number, just your name, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to blur this out and just quickly get it done. So yeah, once you've filled in those fields, you just want to scroll down, click continue to terms and conditions, click go to bottom, and then you just want to select that, join ClickBank. This is just going to load, save password, say no, I got this on my own, and then no thanks, sending me in my account. So yeah, it'll bring us to this page, just click complete my profile, and then you just want to fill in a few extra details, your address and whatnot. And then at the bottom here where it says let's optimize your performance, you just want to click on here and then click promote products as an affiliate. Down here, just click 0 to 25k and then save. This should load, and then you're gonna have a bunch more options pop up here, as you can see. So yeah, make the next step easier for you, just click these lines here and you're just gonna get the text. Go straight down to affiliate marketplace, and then it's just gonna open a new tab, and here we are. And basically this is the ClickBank affiliate marketplace. So these are all different categories and niches of basically businesses who are promoting their websites and stuff like that. So the main ones for me are e-business and marketing. You've got education, games are quite good, health and fitness is very good, home and garden is very good, and if we go down here, spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs, they are very good as well. They sell very well. So for example, we'll just start off with e-business and e-marketing. So if you just click that, then all of these are basically just listings of sites who basically want promoted, want affiliates, want to get their own sales, and more importantly, this gives you the opportunity to make your own sales, make your own money. So yeah, the average conversion is pretty self-explanatory here, but the important part that we want to look here is the gravity. So this basically means how many sales have been made with the product. So if we look here, we've got 279, 101, 114. So the one that's standing out to me is this one at the top, and it's got quite a high conversion rate. Now may I just say, these don't have to be relevant to you, your social media, anything like that, but it definitely may help if you can kind of fit it into that, and we'll talk about that a bit later on. But yeah, so for example, you find one, you want to just click promote, and then it's just going to open the site here. You want to just choose an account nickname, so I'm just going to paste the email thing, you know. So yeah, as you can see, you get a little link here, you just want to copy that. You want to just open a new tab, go straight to tiny URL, paste that link that you just got in there, click agree, make tiny URL, copy the link to clipboard, and then from here you have your own link linked to your account. So if a potential customer search that link, it's going to redirect to the site, as you can see here. So yeah, we basically ignore all this stuff. All the important stuff is in ClickBank. Now at this point you're probably wondering, right, so I've signed up for an affiliate, I've got a link, where do I go from here? How am I going to get these sales that you're talking about? How am I going to make this money? What do I do? So yeah, I'm firstly going to go through the main free method, and then I'm going to give you 2 paid methods on how to do this. So we just head to my Instagram here. As you guys can see, I've got a decent following there, just over 30k followers, and I get good interaction on each of my photos as well. Now obviously I don't have a lot of information here, so when I used to do a lot more ClickBank, I would do more like fashion stuff, maybe tech, stuff like that, and making money as well. You find that kind of fits into most niches, and most people are kind of interested in that. So yeah, so the main free method for promotion for me, it's Instagram tags and stories, right? So a lot of these sites will have templates, images, things that you can post. Basically they'll have videos of the products, video examples of how the site works, just everything that you need, and it's completely just a matter of the more time you spend looking, the more information and the better chance of getting a sale you will have. So what I would do here is I go to edit profile, I'd paste the link to the current product that I'm promoting, and then just above that where the bio is, I'd say maybe check out the course down below. Obviously it won't be that trashy, you normally put a couple of emojis, stuff that's going to just pull people in, get their attention, just get them to click on it, you know what I mean? Just a nice little friendly approach to getting these sales. And as you can see, if I click submit here, then just go back to my profile, that's there. It's not like blatantly obvious. If you prefer not to post the post, or if you kind of find any for the one that you want to promote, that's definitely a good way of going about it, and you can obviously make stories stories and say, check out the link in my bio, and people will. Honestly, people will. And if you're just starting from scratch on Instagram, there's many ways to grow the account, such as hashtags, messaging people. There is tons of things you can do. Another way to make money through these links is if you go on Facebook, you find the niche of the product, for example, spirituality. You can join loads of groups like spirituality, the law of attraction, stuff like that, and you can just post them for free. So that definitely might be worth giving a go. Another method for me is I go to this website called ACCS Market. Now it's just the second one here. It's got a dash. I'll put a link in the description once again if you just click it. So yeah, we're on here. You're probably thinking, what's this? Quick and secure social media market. Now you just want to click on a social media of your choice. I find that Instagram works very well. TikTok is also good, and Facebook, as we just mentioned. But yeah, I go to Instagram and then I just go to subscribers up, and then this is basically going to give us a bunch of Instagram accounts that people are actually selling that you can just go and buy. This is all real. It's all moderated. It's all legal. So you just slide down, and for example, there, someone's selling an account with 269k subscribers / followers, $330. That seems like a lot, but if you're looking to invest, then this is definitely a good method because you don't have to build the Instagram. You can go straight into it. You can go straight into promoting, and you can go straight into making the money back. Now, I've personally used this on 2 different occasions. I've actually ended up selling the accounts on after growing them and making more money back. So this definitely is a good method. And as you can see, there's like spiritual ones, music. We've got pickup, like, so there is every niche literally just on the screen here. You got traveling, nature, fashion. You've got everything, and it shows you all the different niches. This is definitely a good way of promoting, and definitely a way that I would recommend. The third and final way that I like to promote these ClickBank links is if I just head back to ClickBank here and just go down to health and fitness, for example. As you can see, this one, the gravity is 598, so you definitely want that one. So you click promote. Once again, Josh K, generate hop links. I'm not going to do the tiny URL here just for this example, but if I just copy it, just head back to YouTube here, and you just want to search maybe workout routine. You're going to search, and you just want to find a video that has somewhat a lot of views, but someone who gets a variant of views. So maybe one video gets 1k, one gets 15k, one gets 2k, one gets 20k. You know what I mean? Someone who's got a good mix and someone who's not going to charge a lot for promotion. So we'll just slide down a lot here. As you can see, 1 month ago, 36k views. Just click on this girl's account. As you can see, this girl has 427k subs, and she gets a good variant of views. You know what I mean? Some's 20k, some 70k. She gets a good amount. So yeah, if we just go over to about here, if you just scroll down, it says view email address. So you just click that. Just need to do a quick capture. Click submit, and then as you can see, that's her business inquiries email. So you just contact that, and you say something along the lines of, hey, I was interested in promoting my product on your channel. I like your video range. How much would it cost to have it featured for maybe 30 seconds to a minute in your next video? They usually reply within a week to 2 weeks. It just depends on how big of a creator and how busy they are with work and stuff like that. So that's maybe why it can be better to go for someone of the 100k and downwards mark. But yeah, as you can see, as most people do, they've got social media here, so you can contact them through that. So you can just send a message through everything if you want to screenshot the email or just copy it, you know what I mean? Send it over. And yeah, I've used this in the past, and it is very useful because as a YouTuber myself, a lot of companies contact me, a lot of people contact me to promote, and people have benefited from me, so I know firsthand that this is beneficial for them and me. So it's just excellent. It's a good little community to get into, and it's an excellent way to make money. So yeah guys, that's a video on ClickBank. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a big thumbs up, subscribe because it helps me out so much. Leave a comment if there's anything else that you'd like to see me talk about. And yeah boys, it's been your boy Josh. Have a good day and peace out.